Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you the benefits of categorizing posts for creating pages on your website at connect.dataczar.com. So we're going to go to dataczar.com. We're going to click Login. To get my username. And my password. Okay, so that's going to take us to Dashboard on the main menu. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. Let's go full screen here. So to work on your website, you're going to go to the Website button because we're going to actually create a post, and I'm going to show you the benefits there when creating a post. And so you have your post, pages, and setting. These are the editing tools for Connect. And so we're going to go ahead and click on Post. We're going to create a new post here. And first of all, let's just flip over real quick to our AAA outdoor scenes. So what you're going to do is you're going to categorize your posts, and then you're going to put them under a specific page, such as our blog here has all of our blog posts listed, and they aren't categorized. They're just all of them listed. But then we have separate pages, like we have a benefits page. The benefits of a website, the benefits of a blog. Those are our benefits posts, and they're listed on our benefits page. So we're going to add the benefits of categorizing posts here. And then also we have our pictures, like our picture gallery, our latest beautiful rainbows, and then also our hiking. So somebody that's interested in hiking, they could go directly to hiking. It just makes it easier for people to find things on your website and easier to navigate. So these are all the hiking posts. So let's go ahead, let's go back to home here. Let's go back to Connect, and we started on website. Now we clicked on post to create the new post. So let's go ahead and create new, and our title. Okay, benefits of categorizing posts. And then down here, we're going to list them all. And I already have something on my clipboard. I have it copied, so let's go ahead and paste it in. So here it is. We have benefits of categorizing posts for creating pages on your website. Let's just go ahead and just simplify this to benefits of categorizing posts. And here are the benefits that we have preloaded here. So it increases your website traffic. It increases your search engine optimization because you're adding more keywords. So categorizing improves organic searches with the keywords. When you have the different categories that we just showed you on your menu bar, it's going to help with the organic searches and the keywords, plus any other keywords that you add within the post. It's going to improve the user experience. It sets a great first impression for them. It increases the length of the visit. It increases repeat visits to your website. Those are some really good benefits. It paints a clear picture of your website. Let's just say, how about it just paints a clear picture of your website. It improves user experience, and customers or prospects can follow easily. So this one I feel is really important, just painting a really good picture of your website. You appeal to your customers' needs and wants. So they can search and find things quickly, and you appeal to their needs and wants. It makes it easy for customers to find specific interests. It increases your website traffic. So those are the benefits. So we went ahead and added the title. We added the benefits. Let's go ahead and create the page. So we click on Create. And now, benefits of categorizing posts is here. Oh, one other thing. Let's edit this. Now what we need to do is we need to add a category. So we just added the title. We added the benefits. Up here where category is, there's a drop down. We can either create a new category by pressing this and enter it here, or we can use the ones that we already have listed, and we have benefits. We're going to list that as benefits. Now let's hit update. And now we have the post categorized under benefits. So let's go ahead and go back to our AAA outdoor scenes. And we're going to go ahead and refresh the page. So I'll do Control F5. And now under the benefits here, here's the post we just added, the benefits of categorizing post. And again, on the blog, we have all of our posts. We have our hiking posts, we have our benefits posts, we have our picture posts, we have everything listed. And then under the specific pages, like the benefits, we only have the benefits posts. We have the benefits of creating posts, of categorizing posts, benefits of having a website, benefits of a blog. So this is the one we just created. We didn't put a featured image in there. I'll add that later. I like to have a featured image on each post. So let's go ahead and click on Read More. And here are the benefits that we listed. These are all the ones that we just went over. So those are the benefits of categorizing posts on your website. So let's go ahead and go back to Connect. And we're going to go back to Dashboard. And that's it. Those are the benefits of categorizing posts for creating pages on your website with Dataczar Connect.